Michael Jaafar. I was telling Judge Ashley Friday or one day last week that I'm really coming around on who this guy was. Initially, I thought maybe he was manipulated, but what I'm seeing is someone who is actually extremely manipulative. And, you know, again, I think the two of them got together and it created a powder cake situation. But this guy, no doubt in my mind, is a manipulator.
You know, Michael, I completely agree, but I'm still shell-shocked from cases like the Robert Durst case and other cases where I really believe that a jury would not buy anything that person was trying to sell. And then you see in cases like, for example, the Robert Durst case, he said, I killed this person, but, you know, I covered up the body after killing them, but I killed them in self-defense, but I covered up the body because, you know, I didn't know what to do. I was afraid. And then later on, after he got acquitted, he admitted that he was a villain, right? So I'm still a little bit shell-shocked. I agree with everything your co-panelist said, by the way. Her assessment of the case is completely spot on. With that being said, do I feel like there is no chance of an acquittal in this case on at least on the charge of him killing his wife? I'm not going to go that far. He still has a shot. It's a little bit more than a Hail Mary, but it's not 50-50. He's still got a shot, but you are right. The guy is a manipulator, but also in a normal paradigm, none of us would do what he does. But he thought he was a prophet. And the people around him thought he was a prophet. And some people didn't believe he was a prophet, and some people did. He still hasn't divorced, for example, his wife, who's already been convicted of the most villainous acts possible, killing her own children.
He loves her, Michael. He loves her.
So,
but he loves her.